Assalamu alaikum everyone. All right, so we started off with the first Pepe that actually took off, and I was covering that one when it was earlier in the beginning. So right off the bat, do make sure that you're following this channel and turn on the notification so that you can get the future updates as well. Like this video so that I can know you want more of this video. So this is the first one for Pepe 2, and this is the second coming of Pepe, which is of course on the Maxi exchange right now. So, the title is going to be the following. Is this going to pump 127% or is this going to dump 58%? Okay, so first thing first on the chart, I saw Pepe 2 when it was literally right over here. I saw it right over there, okay? And unfortunately, I never had the opportunity to enter into Pepe. I actually saw this right over here, breakout, move up, and I kind of forgot it in the mixture. It used to be on my watch list down here, but I wasn't really expecting that we're going to see such a massive big rally to the upside for Pepe 2. Now, what do I mean by 127% or 58%? On the charts, there is something I want to tell you. Now, number one is the following. You might have this as your left shoulder, the head, and the right shoulder, and you have the threat to go to the downside. Speaking of a left-hand shoulder, let's actually take in the neckline, and the neckline is going to be looking something like this, okay? This is known as a descending neckline. When you look at head and shoulder, there's a little bit falling to the downside. It's known as a descending neckline, and it's actually pretty much very, very clear that this is a left shoulder, this is a head, and this is probably a right shoulder. And if you do come down, take this out, go back for the retest and fail, you're looking for a move to the downside, okay? And we're talking about a technical target that is going to be from all this place to that place, and we're looking for a drop down. So that actually takes you all the way down here to 690 something. So just look at it for yourself. That's going to be from there to there. And yes, oh my goodness, that's almost 95%. I think that's a little bit wrong. Why is it wrong? I'm going to tell you why. We need to go and actually remove the logarithmic index or something like that. Yeah, so we need to bring the logarithmic index, and I'm going to tell you, this is known as the log scale, okay? On the bottom left, the bottom right of your screen, you're going to see something known as log if you're using the Windows. And if you're using the phone, you can long press this price area, just long press it like this, and you're going to actually get some little bit of a few option, and then you might want to see the logarithmic scale as well. And if you want to learn more about what is going on in technical analysis, I do have a whole course for you, 18 hours of content that you can learn, okay? And I'm going to learn what all these things mean. So to me personally, when you're looking for a technical target to go to the downside, always make sure you turn on the log scale. And when you're looking for a technical target to move up, you might want to turn off your log scale. It's a long story, but just do that, okay? Do what I told you. Now let's take in the trend line again, and let's take the top to the bottom right here. And you might see that the prices after I turned on the log scale look like the following. So you're taking the top to the bottom right there, and that's almost a 58% move down. Now, where does the 127% move comes in? Now for this one, there is one more scenario, and the one more scenario is the following, that you might end up having a falling wedge right here, okay? And this is actually valid because you're making the A, B, C, and you're looking for that D down. And when you come for the D down, in my opinion, you're looking for a little bit of a move down again, okay? So you're looking for this one small move down. And if you want to count out this little bit of a wicks right there, like this one, okay? This, for me personally, does look like a falling wedge. And you can actually end up getting a little bit of a buying bid right over there with a little bit of stop loss here. And you might end up pushing up. So the technical target out of the falling wedge is you go down, you backtest the falling wedge, and you go all the way up to the start of the wedge. So if you go back up to the start of the wedge, you're talking about a move from there to there, and we're talking about 121 or nearly, again, 127% move up right there. Okay, so round figure 130. So what is it going to be like? Let me know in the comments, and like this video if you like it, and share it to someone else so that they can see it as well. And that's it for this update. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.